Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5's control and arm are broken, you're likely experiencing difficulties with its functionality. This issue can arise from wear and tear over time or accidental damage. If left unattended, it can lead to further complications, possibly rendering your device unusable. To tackle this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement control board, a replacement arm assembly, and some tweezers. First, let's open the Thermomix TM5 safely. Begin by unplugging the device and placing it on a flat surface. Using the appropriate screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the back panel is off, you can locate the control board. This is the component that typically fails. It will be connected by a few wires, which you'll need to gently disconnect. Be cautious not to tug too hard on any cables to avoid damaging nearby components. After disconnecting the wires, you can remove the control board by unscrewing it from its position using the same screwdriver. Now, locate the arm assembly, which is usually attached with a couple of screws as well. Carefully unscrew it, ensuring you don't lose any of the screws. Once the arm is removed, you can install the new arm assembly in its place, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Next, take the replacement control board and connect it back to the device, ensuring that all wires are correctly attached. It's essential to double-check your connections to avoid any issues when powering on the Thermomix. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After everything is securely in place, replace the back panel of the device and screw it back on tightly. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM5 and test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. To prevent this problem from occurring again, make sure to handle your device with care and avoid any excessive force when using the controls. Regularly inspect the device for any signs of wear, and consider scheduling maintenance checks if you use your Thermomix frequently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.